वेलकम टू सुप्रीमो स्टेनो क्लासेस। गाइज मैं डिक्टेशन देने जा रहा हूँ स्पेशली तो जो तैयारी कर रहे हैं एसएससी, एनवीएस, ईएसआईसी, एफडबलएसआई, डीएसईयू, जिसकी एडमिट कार्ड आई है दिल्ली स्किल एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप यूनिवर्सिटी की। तो इन सभी डीयू की, DSSB की आप एकदम मोस्ट रिलेवेंट मैटर में दे रहा हूँ। आप लोग लिखिए और अपने ईयर को मिलाइए। सो गाइज बी रेडी फॉर द डिक्टेशन। The development of newspapers in India began in 1780 when James Augustus Hickey launched India's first newspaper, Bengal Gazette, in English. Published in Kolkata, this newspaper was founded on Hickey's tenacity, passion, and standing for the truth. Its motto was open to all, yet not influenced by anyone. He declared his objective: I enjoy shackling myself for the freedom of my mind and spirit. Hickey was the first journalist of India who fought with the British government for the freedom of the press. Media has played a significant role in awakening social consciousness since the time of independence movement. Be it any country in the world, the media has always been a vehicle of change and consciousness. It has a critical role in spreading awareness and creating a public opinion on any prevalent issue. The media, on one hand, acts as a communication link between the government and the public, while on the other hand, it also keeps a check on the functioning of the government. The media has a vital role in communicating the problems and issues of the people to the government. It is for this reason that even today people look up to the media with hope. The role of media has also changed over time. The communication revolution has contributed the most to this. However, this has also brought forth the challenge of factual representation before the media in the prevailing scenario of a conflict between credibility and popularity. Diversity of views, differences, and disagreements is also great importance in a democratic system. By bringing together the ideas of all concerned people, the media allows them to understand and analyze them. If you observe in the context of New India, media or mass India reflects the actual situation of any society or country. The power of media can be gauged through its wide reach. The autonomy and independence also brings to the media a tremendous responsibility towards the country and society. Change is the law of nature, and this law applies to all the ideas, concepts, objects of this world, man, environment, and nature itself. This change results from human reaction to new situations. New situations and challenges give rise to new technologies. Nowadays, information technology has completely transformed the world. The world is connected through the internet and computer networks, allowing all places to stay interconnected. This connectivity has resulted in birth of digital India, which is also known as new media. Every century is known for its distinguishing feature. The 21st century is being considered as the century of the internet and social media. From the shifting dimensions of the media, it looks as if the present time is time for change. New ways of communication and new media have emerged, which have become an integral part of our lives. One such medium connecting people is social media, which many have adopted as an integral part of life. Today, social media is determining several aspects of our lives. How the increasing popularity of social media grips the world can be gauged from the fact that now the number of people using social media in the world has exceeded the number of people who do not use it. According to a report, the number of social media users worldwide has increased to 51% of the world's population. It has also been concluded that the number of social media users worldwide has increased by over 10% in the last years. During this period, social media connected 37 crore 6 lakh people. If its average is taken, then every day 1 million users and 12 people are connected to social media every second. According to a report called Data Reportal, a user spends an average of 2 hours and 22 minutes a day on social media. If the time spent by all users on social media is added up, then every day the equivalent of 1 million years is spent on social media alone. The figures are enough to indicate the relevance of social media in the present times. Today, India is emerging as the largest market for the internet and smartphones. According to an estimate of Facebook users in India is expected to grow 5 times of the American company Cisco, about 83 million. Apart from this, by 2021, the number of smartphones more than it is today. The number users in India is likely to double to about 83 million. Apart from this, by 2022, internet data consumption in 300 million, while the number of WhatsApp users is about 200 million. The number of Twitter users has also increased to more than 30 million. India is the biggest market for these media, and through them fake news is garnering maximum publicity today. The citizens of developed countries faced this situation a little earlier. Stop. सो गाइज ये डिक्टेशन थी और एक जगह मैंने हैज हैड पढ़ दिया, एक्चुअली वहाँ पे हैड ही था, तो थोड़ा सा वहाँ पे देख लीजिएगा। और बाकी सारा डिक्टेशन अच्छा है, वर्ड्स इसमें काफ़ी अच्छे हैं, काफ़ी स्मूथ वर्ड्स हैं। ऐसा वर्ड्स नहीं है, बहुत ही एक आध दो जगह वर्ड्स होगा जो आप नहीं जानते हैं या प्रैक्टिस नहीं जिसकी किए होंगे। ठीक है, सभी वर्ड्स की आपने प्रैक्टिस किए होंगे, बस लैंग्वेज थोड़ा क्या है घुमाया हुआ है। तो आप यदि अच्छे से इस तरीके की पैसेज को प्रैक्टिस कीजिएगा जो कि आ रहा है, ट्रेंड में है, ठीक है, तो आपको कोई भी सिलेक्शन लेने से नहीं रोक सकता है। तो आपको यदि डिक्टेशंस पसंद आ रहे हैं तो चैनल को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए। यदि आपकी कोई सजेशंस और क्यूरीज है रिगार्डिंग स्किल एग्जामिनेशन तो कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर लिखिए। धन्यवाद।